Boom! 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 Ano? Kaya mo pa? Tama lang sa'yo yan. Paano naman kasi mga brad? Nuknukan ng yabang ang Black American boxer na yan. Minaliit at hinamahamak nito ang ating kababayan bago ang kanilang laban. Mantakin mo ba naman na sabihan nito ang ating kababayan na matandang hukluban at hindi na dapat lumaban? Palibhasa ay isang undefeated at kinakatakutan di umano ni Terence Crawford. Ito si Mark Davis, isang undefeated American fighter. Mahusay at madulas ang fighter na ito mga brad. Taong 2013, nang hamunin nito si Terence Crawford. Subalit, natakot at hindi ito pinalaga ni Crawford sapagkat alam nito na masisira lamang ang papaangat pa lamang na karir nito sa boxing. Sobrang taas ang tingin nito sa kanyang sarili mga brad. Kaya naman, gano'n na lamang maliitin ng negrong ito ang ating kababayan na si Michael Farenas, isang Pinoy na tubong sorsogon. Noong panahong yun, ang Amerikanong si Davis ay may malinis na record na 18 wins at 0 losses. Samantalang ang ating kababayan naman ay may record na 38 wins at 4 losses. Ang laban ay ginanap sa bansang Amerika para sa titulong IBF Super Featherweight Title Eliminator. Sa pagdayo ng ating kababayan sa bansang Amerika ay bitbit ito ang pag-asa na durugin at ipahiya ang mayabang na undefeated Black American fighter na ito. Subalit hindi magiging madali ang laban na ito para sa ating kababayan. Narito at sama-sama nating panoorin ang kanilang bakbakan. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell upang palagi kang ma-notify sa mga bago nating video. Pagtunog pa lang ng bell ay agad na sumugod ang Pinoy at hindi na nagaksaya ng oras ang ating kababayan.
Physical signals to the fighters. Look for straight left hands. Forward.
Sunod-sunod na right straight kaagad ang binitiwan nito at sinubukan naman ng American fighter na gumalaw at umiwas. Pero mas mabibigat ang suntok ng Pinoy.
Right with that left hand and there but Davis to the right. It's bad abrasion. Looks like there is around the right eye. Right eye. Right eye.
Isang malakas na kaliwa ang tumama at nagbukas ng sugat sa mata ng Amerikano. Isang malakas na simula ito para sa Pinoy.
Round 1 that gave you a chance to go to the Fight Night Fight Facebook page and score along with Teddy Atlas and the ringside judges. Head over to Facebook and score with us.
Round 2, mas kumalma ang Amerikano sa round na ito. Nagsimula itong gumamit ng mga jab at naging mas maayos ang galaw sa ring. Nakakakuha ito ng mga punto sa labas.
Came over to us and let us know. Turn around what was a typical get angles to kill. What was the tap? Open. He's allowing Barreglers to come in and blur, so he figures now Davis, you know what?
Ngunit bago matapos ang round ay muling pumutok ang kaliwa ng Pinoy na siyang sumira sa momentum ng Amerikano.
There he goes. Does that with that big left hand. They probably just won around him. This is a really good start to his night. Southpaw charging in.
Pagsapit ng round 3 ay dikit ang laban. Sinubukan ng Amerikano na gumamit ng anggulo at counter punches. Subalit pilit itong dinadala ng Pinoy sa mga palitanan. Ang Amerikano ay nakakakuha ng puntos, ngunit ang Pinoy ang nagbibigay ng matinding pinsala.
Left hand. Maybe somebody should have said something a long time ago, like stop facing salt competition, because Davis has faced a lot of salt competitions in his young career, and Parinas has faced obviously the most different competitions, and that is one of the differences right now. Parinas is battle tested, Davis is not. Right up. Davis was able to land the right twin punches moments ago and now piss out that jab. Oh, he goes to Philippine. Stay as fire as that. So Arenas went 10,000 his 8-cop fight. You move a lot faster in places like the Philippines. We have less opportunity here, Mark, less chances. You gotta move fast. And that means you gotta get hard. Gotta get tough and grow up fast. Davies is going to have to grow up fast. Right in front of him. No, right. No. Man, looks. He looked down the floor and no jab then phrase to heave fast. That's the power arc. Pass. It's a right hook, that time by Brennan. Of course, no doubt about professional rules. Rules land in a harder, more consequential punches, which is what the Cole rules are all about. So far, that's Barinas. Fun. And that's another one, and another all-time. And another chase with Davis gives them the opportunity to throw that left hand, standing right in front of him, not moving left to his left to wait for the power. And now Davis sits in there, straight right hand from Davis, and then that hurt, don't lie. That hurt for Davis, that straight right hand. So some give it take here in round 3. Action, hack third round. There's a combination that finished with a left hand. Davis came back with a right hand for round of it. Left versus right. Step around, who's your buddy on? The left of Perinis is going to be all night. And it looks like it's going to be against the right of Davis. Maria. Now, there's the legs. Davis, now he needs the C. Now he needs those quick punches as he tries to get an angle. It's a very entertaining rag between these two. Short break, be right back.
Round 4. Isa ito sa pinakamagandang round para sa Amerikano. Nagpakawala ito ng mga kombinasyon at naging mas agresibo. Patunay ito na hindi ito basta-basta susuko. Ngunit nananatiling delikado ang Pinoy sa bawat bitaw ng kaliwa nito.
Defeated 18-0 Mark Davis, title eliminator, and now he's charging into that corner against him as he landed another left hand. You know, shame on Davis. And having his people surprise his avalanche, the black hairs. They should have known that's what Credence brings. And it's spotty, that's what Davey you'd wear. Great combinations. A lot of steam. Those men going at it. Davis fired back for a moment, and now Ferein is getting right back to action. Highly entertaining stuff early on here at the main event. And Ferein is mixing up those little hands nice. Downstairs, upstairs. What complements the other? Get its attention downstairs? Easy to go upstairs. Expect one upstairs now. Rain is like a pitcher, hitting different spots of the plate, inside, outside. Hey, don't push up. I got you. Hey. On the inside and outside now, the inside caught. That's landed, he said, on the inside now. Straight great hand on the inside. Right now, I talk about left versus right. Right now, it's power versus speed. Don't scare Babel Jen. Hey, Owls. By Puritan. And the reluctant, forward speed of Davis. Not consistent. Part of the power output, the delivery of Heridas has been a little more consistent than the scene from Dave, the Dave of the sea tire. Fuck. Dave got masquerade to sphere early let's lose as he Uzachi to Chris. This is a card game. Phases, Tupaz. Every time he shows up, Tupaz. Farina says to the guy. Tar, lower Steve. Drinking matchup here. It was gone to Ferein's early odds. Oh, yeah. Davis has had his moments here right now with those feet in spots. The left hand of Farinas has been to talk about in the early stages here. Again, sporadic behavior by Davis. Be very careful, not letting those hands go, and not making it up for the power of Heridas that round.
Round 5. Nawasak ang momentum ng Amerikano. Isang napakalakas na kaliwa mula sa Pinoy ang tumama at nagpayanig dito. Napaatras at halos mawalan ng balanse ang Amerikano. Sinundan pa ito ng mga power shots ng Pinoy. At muntik nang matapos ang laban sa round na ito.
It's not gonna happen. It's tap tap, and it's way bad. Kasat again. Pick it up. They're gonna have Takum. They're gonna have. It's a pond. It's Freedom. It's not the captain. It's incumbent. It's happened. Wild for the ball. Michael Farina's in control.
Round 6. Patuloy ang pressure ng Pinoy, tira sa ulo at mga atake sa katawan. Subalit, matapang pa rin na lumalaban ng Amerikano. Ngunit, lumalala na ang sugat nito at kapansin-pansin na ang pagod na dulot ng bakbakan dito.
For Mark Davis, IBF title eliminator. Started off with left hands, landing flush and a cut opened up on her right eye, and then there at the end of 5, he was damaged. Can he steady himself here in round 6? Can he figure out how to slow down Michael Farinas? He's tied up there with that hand for a moment. Oh, now another left hand comes in. Or is it trouble? He does not look good at all. No, Farinas going to swing back. Oh, he's keeping through for not separation. Can do that before his hands not get smut. Forming his stick when he has to Farinas to keep room for that offensive flow. See that first one is a groove that we saw in the last round with Davis went way too low. He does that every once in a while. He got away with that, Frank, with the opposition that's put in front of for the Fabius 18 fight. When it doesn't think it was right, he just got away with it. Now we can see that it wasn't right, but it might be too late. Stay up, man. Stay up, man. Choke the day is right now great art as you can get. It's the great art, but I think he needs to get out of there and use his legs. If it's not, he's staying in the trenches. He ate a big one upstairs. Head shot reined in. I always talk about geography, the geography that are quite a lost fighting. The geography called the Pacheti for Parinas was inside, and Batadman's should have been on the outside, and it hasn't been. A left hand comes in again. 40-something seconds remaining, and you got to think about survival at this point, the way Mark Davis wants. And Sloga is thinking about being ready to stop. He's precisioning himself, and he's watching. And the doctor cocked his watch. Good doctor in his business. It's right up on that green acre. Michael Schwartz, one of the most respected greenside positions in the business, is monitoring the undefeated, for now, Mark Davis. Let's have another electric flip in here. Makes it true. After what was another
Matapos
attacking
suriin ng
round.
doktor ang lagay ng Amerikano, sa round 7 ay nakaligtas ang Amerikano sa round na ito. Mas marami itong clinch at galaw upang umiwas sa matinding atake ng Pinoy at kakaunti ang kanyang opensa, ngunit nagawa pa nitong tumagal ng isa pang round.
It was Ian's last round that he'd get an opportunity to do that. The tremendous referee, Steve Smoger, gave me a signal just forward, kind of let us in on what was being said in that corner. Wanted to finger what? In other words, we've given him this head around, step around, see what he does. Step out, step out. So, not that blood. They're really out. Years? No. So, ring. Shofar not the here around sir. Now there's Rice to bring it in. And his sister fell on the floor. To right jab to the body. And she circles the fizz left. You stay away from that left hand fight. You avoid. Rena's husband on the floor. Invites of David wondering back home, what's the chance of David? Suddenly, out of the sky, She got a lightning bolt with her right hand on his split of a leader. Yes, a little bit of tank act. That's it. That's it. Right back, Mark. Right back. It's Ethan Burke. What happened in both round 5 and similar? He was hurt. Jerk. Jerk. Fairly nondescript round so far. I'm all those fireworks, Teddy, and 5 and 6 from Farinas. A round that Davis needed just to be allowed, that's right, to continue tonight. Just the round that he needed to survive. Not win, but survive.
Sa pagbungad ng round 8 ay agad na umatake ang Pinoy na tila ba gusto na nitong tapusin ang kumprontasyong ito. Agad niyang prenesyo ang Amerikano sa simula pa lamang.
Arena steps it up. It's about wound yesterday. It's off his national foul tonight. 18 yesterdays, to be exact, for Davis to prepare for today. He had to have been in with tougher competitions. A boy middle of this big chunk, turn around, from the swimming pool to the ocean. Heroic. Arenas Joe's been in a lot of close stuff fight, 4 draws and 5 split or majority decision. Unlike Davis, he's fire tested, ready for battle. Oh, he gets him up to the corner and comes chasing him down for battle. Oh, he gets him up to the corner and comes chasing for battle.
Naipit sa sulok ang Amerikano habang tinatamaan ng mga sunod-sunod na malinis na suntok. Wala nang depensa, wala nang sagot. Hanggang maya-maya pa ay napilitan na ang referee na itigil ang laban.
Chasing him down and
Ipinakita ng Pinoy ang lakas, pressure at tibay sa buong laban. Nagkaroon naman ng sandali ang Amerikano gamit ang bilis at galaw. Sa huli ay nanaig pa rin ang bangis at husay ng Pinoy Warrior. Isang malinaw na laban ng pagiging teknikal kontra sa tapang at lakas. At sa gabing iyon, ang ating kababayan ang nagwagi. Ibang-iba talaga ang tapang at puso ng isang tunay na mandirigmang Filipino. Kung umabot ka hanggang dito, ay maaari bang i-comment mo kung taga saan ka para naman alam ko kung hanggang saan umabot ang ating video.